pumpkin. Ooh. Do you prefer to A, carve your pumpkins, or B, paint your pumpkins? Hey boy, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I made this glammed up pumpkin. We did this in one of my art classes. I run art classes in London and also on Zoom online. More about that in the description below. I'm gonna share with you a quick video of how we created this one. It's some time lapse, it's gonna be super quick, super fast to give you some inspiration for your pumpkins. To create this pumpkin, we used Sharpies. That stays on quite well, it doesn't rub off. And also I painted with acrylic paint. I've linked this down below in case you want to check it out. You can buy it from Amazon. It's an Amazon affiliate link. And then I also added gems all around. These ones stay on quite well as well. I don't know how well it would stay on in rain, so I wouldn't place them outside unless it's on the roof. Sophia came to say hello, hello, hello. She is gonna be 6 months in 1 week. And she just woke up from her nap. She is distracted by this pumpkin here on the table. She's actually literally reaching out to grab it. Here it is. Ow! Ooh. A little bit spooky, but it's also shiny and pretty. And then there's spiders on the side. We are actually gonna get some lollipops and stick them all around. Then we're gonna leave it outside for our neighbor. There's a little girl living there. So we're gonna surprise her with a pumpkin with lollipops. Here's another thing I want to show you. This is a painting we did in one of my Zoom classes with 2 kids. That one has dried now, that was earlier today. And then we have these ones. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or not, but this one. Woo! And then we have the pop-up card. This one I posted last year. It's a simple parallel fold pop-up card with ghosts. And then we have this pumpkin. Woo! And then we have a cat that turns into a bat. And that is made out of my hand. You know the dance, Sophia? Sophia and I want to say thank you for watching our video. If you're new here, do hit subscribe. I post videos about our life here in London. Sophia is turning 6 months, as I mentioned, so I'm gonna do some sort of a 6-month video with her. And then I post a lot of art videos. I do a lot of paintings, acrylic paintings on canvas. That's another one that I did recently, and this one as well. A lot of crafting, all sorts of videos. So do stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see what we get up to. Alright? Ciao ciao and hej då, ha det bra! Bye! Sofia säger bye! Hej då! Hej då! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a happy Halloween and stay tuned. Bye bye! Subscribe if you're new here. Bye bye! Ha det bra! Bye!